If the smell of a refreshing cup of coffee is the only thing that gets you out of bed in the morning, then there is a good possibility that you already own some kind of coffee maker. But if you don't, you should consider updating your setup that will instantly have your coffee ready before your feet hit the ground. There are tons of latest ways to brew coffee at home, from espresso makers to cold brewers, to single-serve brewers or French pressers. So there is no single answer to which style is the best coffee maker, as it all comes down to your personal preferences. But there are some really considerable options out there. To see the updated prices and find out more information about each coffee machine, you should check out the links in the description. So in this video, we're gonna talk about top 5 best coffee machines that you should have in order to enjoy premium and fresh quality coffee at home. So let's get started. Keurig Coffee Maker is best for a single person as it's a single-serving brewing coffee maker. The Keurig coffee machine is a compact machine and less than 5 inches wide. It's perfect for anyone looking to purchase Keurig without having to commit to a large footprint of a huge machine. It is designed to be an exceptional travel companion and it can be easily stowed into the luggage, so you can take it to your next trip. Keurig is the only capable of brewing one coffee at a time, but a single cup water reservoir can hold between 6 to 12 ounces of water with clear markings on the side. Overall, the new Keurig came in an amazing choice for the new single-serving coffee maker, especially if you are not a huge coffee drinker or plan on taking the machine away when it's not in use. If you want a good cup of coffee but do not want to put all the pieces together or spend $5 for a cup at a local coffee shop, that's where second-generation smarter coffee machine comes in. It is a connected coffee maker that features both Alexa and Google Assistant integration that allows you a fresh start from anywhere. Smarter Coffee allows you to have full control of your coffee maker remotely by using the Smarter app available for both Android and iOS devices. Connect Smarter Coffee Maker with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant enabled devices. Use the Smarter app to start your day with freshly brewed coffee by setting alarms with a wake-up mode. If you are searching for a coffee maker which suits your home and office, then the Smarter Coffee machine will be a perfect choice for you. If you are here because you are in search of a good coffee maker that can work like a pro and give you an ideal cup of coffee, then you need to get your hands on Behmor connected customizable temperature control coffee maker. The Behmor is a powerful machine that offers you full command over the coffee brewing controls. You can brew your coffee beans according to your unique coffee preferences the way you want. Its double-walled stainless carafe maintains optimal coffee temperature and keeps the coffee hot for hours. If you are seriously interested in coffee brewing, this app-supported coffee maker may be the perfect choice for you. With great reviews and prices, this coffee machine is available on Amazon at around $250. Ninja is among the best blenders in the coffee market with great brewer and promise to deliver a variety of coffee shop drinks in one package. The Ninja hot and cold brewing system might leave you wondering what else you can do in a single brewer. It provides multiple brewing styles from regular brew to cold brew. The Ninja hot and cold brew can do all with both coffee and tea. From black to green with Auto IQ Touch Intelligence technology, which is very easy to use. So if you like different brewing drinks from day to day or even at different times throughout the day, This Ninja model is a great option for you. If you are looking for all-in-one manual espresso machine, then Barista Pro takes some beating. This coffee machine does most of the hard work for you. It will allow you to pour a bag of freshly roasted beans into the grinder and have it dispensed into the cup within a few minutes. There is some manual attention detail required for best result. This can make an awful coffee. This can also make some fabulous coffee. Invest a little time into squeezing the best from the coffee you buy, and the Barista Pro will reward your efforts. It's also far more consistent than cheaper machines. The volumetric sensor pushes the same amount of water through the coffee for simply pitch-perfect cup of espresso. Sage's latest machine, the Barista Pro, is designed to be exactly the tool you need. Well, this was all for today. Hope you liked the video. Let us know about your opinion in the comment section below. Do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit the bell icon for more updates and notifications. Stay safe and we will be back soon with another video.